End of day 4. Working on the shipping container. Got an awning to the west side. Made out of the actual metal that came out of that hole. And then the structure for the roof in an enclosed area at the back. And the structure for the front roof. And crenellations across the top. So there will be more crenellations on the sides. And it will be painted, and then we will put doors and windows in. And then start work on the inside. So stay tuned. Nighttime Farms finally has a castle.